Is there really a difference between being a solopreneur versus being an entrepreneur? Today, let's find out the truth. Welcome to DIY Solopreneur. Here we will discuss topics and resources for all do-it-yourself solopreneurs. If you find this information useful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So, let's dive into this. When you think of the mentality of a solopreneur versus an entrepreneur, let us use the dynamic between Batman and Bruce Wayne. Let me explain. A solopreneur is a one-person army that wears many suits to get their overall goals accomplished. They mostly work by themselves and might team up with others on occasion, but they mostly work alone. They trust in themselves to handle all the tasks and decisions. Highly intelligent, and a lot of times associated with introverts. Solopreneurs have no time for red tape and bureaucracy. The entrepreneur is the empire builder that is a leader of people. Entrepreneurs uses a variety of other people's intellectual and financial resources. They are visionaries, always looking for new opportunities to expand their business empire. They understand the importance of collaboration, surrounding themselves with talented individuals who bring their expertise to the table. Now think about it. Between a solopreneur and entrepreneur, what type of business owner do you think Batman and Bruce Wayne personifies mentally, even though they're the same character? Here is what I think. Batman is the ultimate solopreneur, doing the crime fighting, detective work, and even tech development all by himself. Bruce Wayne, on the other hand, surrounds himself with a team of experts, delegating tasks, and strategizing for long-term success. He is like that well-established corporation, with a board of directors and shareholders to answer to. Which type of business owner fits you? Are you the Caped Crusader, tackling your tasks based on your flexibility, taking on your opponents, using your wit and intelligence all by yourself? Or are you the super intelligent business owner, in the suit delegating tasks to highly skilled employees with a vision to growing a multinational company to benefit the world that will last generations? Whichever type of business owner you are or strive to be, the key to success lies in taking risks, pursuing your passion, and surrounding yourself with the right people. So, grab your cape or your suit, and go out there to make your mark on the world, just like our favorite Gotham heroes.